Hey everyone, it's Nichole and Dylan, and today we are going to be installing this new Voswitch. We'll leave a link below so you can go check them out. They have a lot of different options. So first thing we have to do is disconnect the battery though.
Whoa. Oh! Yep.
Fuck.
That's bad.
Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you for watching.
So we just gotta unscrew these so we can disconnect the battery.
That fits on there then.
Up.
So that's the one then?
Yep. Didn't have that on very well, huh?
No.
Oopsie.
Alright, so it wants us to just take out this bolt and use this bolt hole here, and it comes with a bracket already. So now we're just going to reuse this bolt.
Yep.
And one of the ones that they provided us with, and it'll bolt right down like that, sit directly above the battery. This is the JL810 version. It's for the newer gladiators. The JL800 is the version for the pre-2024 model gladiators. But like she said, we'll leave an affiliate link down in the description so that you guys can go and check out all their products, see what they have for your Jeep specifically. And that should be good. You don't want to over tighten it.
Sits right in there, nice.
Yeah.
Sweet.
Almost like it's designed to be there.
Almost. Alright, so what's next then?
You're getting it. Hold on. Okay. It's not one you're going to be able to work your way around it, because it's not that kind of a thing. You need to do it all in one big swoop. So you might end up having to use that side.
Yeah.
Yeah. You want me to get this last one?
Yeah, probably. I'm just struggling here. Too far of a stretch from the arms. Got it.
Bounced it right off the camera. I hope it hit the lens because that'll look cool as hell.
Alright.
Alright, now swing the hood towards me. And I'll set this back up again.
Got it.
You're good. You can let it go. Let's see if this will pop out now.
It's like sticky almost.
Alright. Hold on. Let me see. Okay, well, that almost might be enough for us to feed it.
What?
I'm just trying to look. It might be enough for us to feed it, but I don't know.
It should be, but...
Does the 10 fit?
So, it's hard to tell though.
Because if the 10 fits, we can just grab the electric ratchet again.
It does. And do I have it the right way?
Turn it. No, that's untighten.
There we go. I didn't think so.
Sometimes the bolts are loose enough to where you gotta hold the socket with your finger to get it to ratchet appropriately. Especially when they're in a hard to reach spot like that, you can't just undo it by finger, so you gotta... So we decided to take the handle off now so that we can see where we're going to feed the wire before we finish trying to feed the wire. So we want to get everything in the right spots.
Alright, there's that one. This pops out?
Yep, just like that. No, you're right. That line kills your arms. When you're using them in positions that you're not your everyday normal stuff, it's tired. There we go. Hanging on by literally a thread.
Now what?
Now pull that whole thing right on off.
Oh, the back is over. The speaker.
Oh.
There it goes.
Yeah, I forgot about that part. I should have popped that part off. My bad.
It popped right out, so that's fine.
Okay, so what we just did, we take the handle off because we have to be able to put the new handle on and feed it through. But we're not going to follow what they want, where they came through the dashboard and up underneath. We're coming down through the plastic and out through this little piece here underneath the windshield frame, and that's going to run underneath, or out here and through the cowl, which we loosened, but we can't get off because we couldn't get the windshield wipers off, and we're not going to be dicking around with that right now. So what we did, we fed the hose, the pipe snake through till we got it to this side, which we ran through up underneath this foam. Now we're going to pull it through with the snake. So go ahead, give it a pull, nice and slow. We'll feed it through.
All right, we're out.
You got it? All right.
Yep.
Pull the rest of the cable through. Good.
All right.
There. Now that side's done. We wanted it under the cowl so that this way it is not in the engine bay, and we didn't have to drill out this plug here to make it go through and try to fight with it underneath the dash with all the dash components. It's going to be a pain in the ass. So from this point on, we will let her take control of the video again, because now it's all just assembly. So
Now I gotta push it through. What part?
So you're going to just pull it up around. You don't even have to push it through. You just, there you go, feed it right in, just like that. And now,
Keep pulling. I'll hold my finger there.
well, I don't want to pull too much because
okay.
we're going to leave all of our slack right in here.
Okay.
Yep.
Gotcha.
Because that way it can be pulled from either side.
Yeah.
So now all we have to do, get the handle plugged in and mount it up, and then put all the rest of the body mounts back on around it.
Yeah. Put everything back together. All right. So we need the handle.
Yep.
Ta-da!
Woo!
Plugged.
There we go. Plug that in, and you get it up there, and I'll feed the slack back out.
I gotta move some stuff first. I don't wanna break anything or sit on anything.
Other way around.
Oh shit! Sorry.
There you go.
Power button on top.
That's right. Hold on, I gotta get this inside of here.
You got enough room?
No.
Good.
Yep.
There we go. That's in. All right, so I gotta screw the whole thing together. There we go.
You got your screws? See if that'll do it.
Problem is, there it goes.
You're on loosen.
There she goes. Thank you.
Because if this seat's properly up here like it's supposed to, I'll be happy.
We're not even in. I get the hole.
Is it started? Do you
I
know?
don't think so.
Okay, so hold on.
Yeah, no. I don't think it is.
That's it. Just pull that out. pull this off of here.
Okay.
Put that on top of there.
What, this?
Yep.
Okay.
Now, you gotta use a very steady hand and beat it up into the hole. Get it started.
Okay, alright. Gotcha. Thank you.
Now you should.
Right?
Nope. The ratchet.
Gotcha. There we go.
Started. Okay. Yeah, and see now it's
Now
sunk.
leave it though until I go to the bottom, right? Do
Yep.
the bottom a little bit more.
Now you can do the bottom one. A lot nicer than I thought it was going to when we were mocking it up out here.
There it goes. Beautiful.
That looks a lot better.
Oh yeah.
Now that just goes right over it. It's in at a weird angle. There you go. Straighten it out. And just put it right around this bundle so it keeps it together and not flying out of there. Don't do too tight. There you go. That's perfect.
Okay.
Yep. And just so we make everybody else mad, we're not even gonna clip our ends.
Oh, how dare we?
Just like,
Son of a bitches.
yeah, we're the worst. Hey guys, I just want to take this moment to shout out today's You Rock supporters. It's going to be Eisenadler Brewhouse. They are always supporting us in what we do, and they're a great brewery located in Nelliston, New York. And if you ever want, go check them out, support them, and enjoy it, because it's one of the rare places you'll ever get to go that just has such an amazing atmosphere. Now back to the video. Old pliers, so they're kind of stuck together. Pinch it. Good. Dig it out. Oh.
That ain't good.
You're pinching a little hard too. You're gonna mangle them. Go ahead. I'm just keeping it steady for you. There you go. Perfect.
Some together.
Delicate, babe. You gotta treat it like a lady.
You're not exactly a delicate lady, so. Alright. So now I'm moving on to this.
Alright. So this one is the one you gotta be careful with. I already set that one up. But this right here is where the wire is gonna house.
Yeah.
So these sit in between there.
Yeah.
Yep. You just want to make sure you do not pinch the wire, whatever you do. Nose.
I'm good.
That was this one on the bottom there. These ones for the top. They're hot, careful. And now Where'd the wrench go?
Got me over there.
Oh, here we are. Here's this.
Now I gotta switch this, don't I?
Yep, which you just turn that up there.
This?
Yep. There you go. I don't know where the actual wrench went, but because otherwise I'd have you use that.
That's all right.
But just tighten these back down.
I gotta use this. Don't
No,
I?
no, we're doing these first so we don't lose pieces here. Go ahead. You know, wrong bit.
Oh.
There we go. Sometimes when you're getting close to the end, you could switch over to just doing it by hand.
Now I gotta put the pegs in, right?
Yep, so I'll put this up, clip that.
Also dimple. Alright. I'm gonna put in this part first, right?
Yep. That's right.
barely reached it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get the middle part in.
Reach, babe, reach! If not, I'll get it. Oh, you're way off.
Yeah, I can't.
No.
Sorry.
No need to apologize.
Apologize.
Goddamn short people. So,
Right, that's it, right?
pretty much. Now we just gotta wire it up. So we gotta figure that part out. What's it say for wiring?
Let's take a gander.
So now all she's gotta do is, nope, on top. There you go. Are you,
from that angle.
yeah.
There we go.
If you want, you can climb up on the bumper. But, so yeah, now all we're doing is hooking up the power supply to it. And then it's done.
I feel like it's not going anywhere.
And I don't think it is.
Do you have to hold the bottom? There's this bolt underneath it.
Oh, there is a bolt underneath. I didn't even see that. Let's see, this is a 10. You still got that ratcheting wrench in your purse?
Yes.
You want to grab that?
Yeah.
There we go. We got a wrench for underneath to hold on the nut that's under there.
You got that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ring, 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 ring.
All right.
Here you are.
This.
Oh, you'll put the small end on this side. There you go.
Just like that, right?
Yep.
Now I gotta tighten it.
Yep. You're going to want to start it probably with your fingers and then you're going lefty-loosey.
That's right. Oh, sorry.
Now you can do it by finger if you want. It only needs to be loosened up. If you need a extension to get better
I think I do.
room, then we can go grab one.
Yeah. There was not enough.
Yeah, don't be afraid to just come get those pieces if you need them.
Oh yeah, 'cause I know I'm looking for.
You need a thing longer. Make your thing longer.
Yeah. That's much better. It was way too close to the bottom. There we go. Should be good?
Yeah, nice and tight. See, this way, now this runs into that too.
Right. So this, what are we doing with this? Just
Nothing.
wrapping it around?
We don't need it. Yeah, we'll tie it up nice later and put on a power tie or a bread tie. Now, just gotta do this one.
It's different size, isn't it?
No, that was the same size, if I remember right. Nope, wrong one.
Oh, Jesus. This part?
Yeah.
Am I doing it right?
No, you're doing it right. It's just, it's loose. So you gotta hold this with one finger. There you go. There. Let's give it a shake and see where we're at. Looks good for my house. Alright. So this is a fuse.
Okay.
And that blue one in the bag, that's an extra one in case we blow this.
Oh, alright.
So if the stuff that we hook to this switch panel, which is, this is full of a bunch of relays.
Right.
If one of those blow or don't do their job, this will blow because it's trying to pull too much.
Oh, okay.
That's what's going to keep your stuff from being, or if this gets a surge in it, you're protected.
How do I close this?
Oh, wrong way. I know this thing was tricky as hell. So this bigger part goes to the bottom, and then you pull the little piece out.
Oh, alright.
Fucking weird.
So,
there we go. Yeah, so that's it. Now let's get in and test it, see if it lights up. Alright, you can hit the power button, turn it on. There we go, that's the final product. Now we can wire up all our lights to that. Good job, babe.
thanks, babe. You too.
You want to send them off? Get do a little outro?
An outro?
Yeah.
Well, thanks for joining us. Hit the like button and subscribe, and come join us again.
Yeah. See you later, guys.
Bye.
Thank you. I'm really proud of you.
Thanks.